go to Biharis from Biharis Fishing Supply here. I got a lot of fresh fishing stocks coming. Quality stuff. Rod, reels, lures, everything from bait. I'm going to show you one after the other what I have in stock here. Yeah, we can start from the fishing rod. Yeah, we can start from the rod here. God bless, good afternoon. We can start from the fishing rod. We got all versions of rod here. Sweet water, salt water, deep sea trolling rod. We got them in Daiwa, Penn, Okuma, Shakespeare, Sea Striker, everything we have here. So we have the sweet water rod for the looking on here. This is Daiwa metal reel, 7 feet. Now this is a 6 feet one. We have 6 feet in length. For the bass fishing, we have 7 feet. 7 feet. This go with 30-pound test braided line, 20-pound, whatever you choose. I could fill up the reel for you. I have all the braided line. I will show you in a moment. I have a lot of stocks here, and this is 8 feet. 8 feet that you could use this both sides, sweet water and salt water. Yeah. Sweet water fishing rod, Daiwa brand name. We got some trolling reel here, Penn, spinning reel Penn, ugly stick rods and so here. And this is brand new stuff here. Yeah, a lot of them here. In the 6, 7, and 8, we have them in sweet water here. Also, we have gel rod here with Shakespeare reel. Coming to the saltwater version here, we have the Daiwa. This is power rod. This is a Daiwa. Metal, 8 feet, saltwater version here. Heavy duty rod. Very affordable. Most of the time I just bring the sweet water, but I bring a lot of saltwater rod. This is Daiwa. Brand new rod and reels for the saltwater. Move down here, we have ugly stick. 8 feet ugly stick and Penn reel go with it. We got Penn reel to go with the ugly stick. 8 feet heavy duty rod. And we have some Sea Striker reel and so could go with this here. Also we have Penn. This is a Penn, 8,000 size reel here. We have some of them there. Heavy duty rod and reel, 8 feet in length. Okay. And I have trolling rod here. Okuma. Trolling, this one have the meter to tell you how much line release into the ocean. This is for trolling. Okuma powerful rod, you have to have the meter here, 8 feet. Medium heavy, nice rod. Come down to other things now. Yeah, we have fishing kits, tackle box here. Walmart product. Double tray. And yeah, we have the kit here. 2 tray fishing kit. This hold a lot of stuff. And very good luck. Powerful handle. Good kit. So we have there putting your lures. Nice fishing kits. We got them in different size. We got some smaller one in case you want to have a little backpack. You know, you put in hooks and whatever little things in here. We have bigger ones here, bigger kits. Put in your lures and whatever you can adjust for suit. This adjust for suit. You adjust for suit what length you want it. That is stuff. Come to the lower section now. We have all kind of jerk bait here. Rapala, swim bait, all kind of bait. All top water, bottom water, deep diver. Like this is a deep diver with a long little spool here. The spool is a bit more long here. Just go down like 3 feet, 4 feet. We have a lot of them here. We have, this is very good. Just like 1.5 feet under the water. They come down here. 4-inch length. This is a selling bait here, right here. Very effective catching Lukanani. And here we have the Whopper Papa, a couple of Whopper Papas here. Yeah, we have Whopper Papas here and different baits here, swim baits, Whopper Papa, Papa, we have frags. Fresh frags arrive. All color. I think I should open one of these frags and show you. See the frag bait, the hook at the back there. That's very effective. This hook here at the back here, very effective for the peacock bass. Yeah, a lot of frag baits. This is a new one come out here. This is a very effective one too. It shake a lot. It shake a lot and look on it. Yeah, this is a very effective one. The peacock bass they like this one a lot. I tried it already. It catch. Move down to the other part. Hooks. All type of hooks here. All type of hooks. I have the swizzle with the leader line, wire leader line. This here sells a lot. A lot of people use this. Yeah, got beads, a lot of line. See, striker reel, fishing reel. This is heavy duty reel, big reel. This come with a mano, but I could change it to braid. Yeah, big reel for heavy duty rod. I have some Shakespeare reels and so extra reels here. Come down to braided line, 40-pound test. This is 2,000 meter. Big spool, a full up reel, so anybody buy a reel and you need whatever test you need, I have it. All type of braided line, 40-pound test, 2,000 meter. I got them in here. This is spider wire, 50-pound spider wire. The color one, different color. Spider wire, 2,000 meter on here. I could pull any reel you need if you want to change from manual to the braid. I could change it. More braid, 40-pound test, 30-pound test. Yeah, we got 15-pound test braided line here. 15, we got 20 LB. We got like 30 and 36, like 68-pound test line here. All type of braid. I'll test the braided line I have here. Come wrong, I have the solid floater cart. This is a plastic. The Chinese store have the kind of foam one that destroy very quick damage, but this is the plastic. This is the original. Yeah, very good. And I have some big hooks here. Big hooks, low, big catfish. Papa carp, the original papa carp with the lead at the bottom here. It casts very far. More hooks, big swizzle, more hooks. Yeah, you could comment on the channel what product you need and I will contact you. And also, who know me, you could come and I have stocks here. So see you on another adventure. God bless. Please check me out. God bless.